as normal, missing someone and missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm starting off by priming my lids using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and just spreading that concealer all over my lids and patting it so it can set using my Real Techniques Dulux Crease brush. Using my Black Radiance contour palette, I'm going to apply my first eyeshadow shade, which is going to be the contour shade in this palette, and then the second shade is the sculpting shade from the same Black Radiance contour palette.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on your soul, there are all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why.
Next, I'm going in with Taza from my Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'll be using this as my last transition shade. This color is such a beautiful orangey shade that really complements dark skin. I'll be using this color to diffuse the edges of the last shade that I applied. Using my e.l.f. concealer in the shade medium, I'll be cutting my crease, and then I'm going to pat it to pick up any excess products left on my lids. I'm going to blend out the outer corners of my cut crease a little, nothing too dramatic, to blend out the edges of that cut crease we just created.
No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful.
And then I'm going to go in with the shade Barba. There was no way I was not going to use this shade today. I'm just going to pack that color in using my flat shader brush from Evita Joseph. I really love doing this cut crease style, and I honestly don't know why.
So, under all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on your soul, there are all of the beautiful ones.
So for my skin today, I wanted to try something new, and I got this new primer from e.l.f. and it's their mineralized infused primer. I'll be applying this primer using a brush. Oh my god, this primer is genuinely amazing. It feels and glides onto your skin just like butter, and it really feels so good under your foundation. Next up, we have foundation, and I'll be mixing two different foundations today. I've just become so obsessed with applying my foundation with this Real Techniques sponge. Guys, it really does make a difference. It really does make a difference.
I'm scared of me. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror.
For concealer, I'll be using this one from Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Deep Sand. I'll just be using a little bit because these concealers go such a long way. It's really full coverage and you really don't need a lot. I already have a detailed brow routine update up on my channel, so I'm going to leave a link above right here so you can click to check it out. And then I'm going to set all the places that I applied concealer using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I've said this several times on my channel that I don't bake. I'm just going to pat off the excess powder using the same Real Techniques sponge I just used to apply my foundation. If you've never tried this step, the powder dissolves into your skin and there is absolutely no flashback. And then contour bronzer, the usual from my Black Radiance contour palette. Just to bring a little more color back into my face, I'm going to focus this mostly on my cheekbones and my forehead area. So I've already applied mascara and then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and today's lashes are the same as every day. I got these lashes off of AliExpress. Then I'll be applying it using my lash applicator.
All of the beautiful ones. No wonder why. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror.
I'll be finishing everything off with my MAC Prep and Prime settings to hold my entire face together. Jumping on into highlighter, I used the Losive highlighter today from Evita Joseph. I think I used too much, but I had to go on in and blend it out to make everything look a little better, a little more presentable. I'm going to finish up the eyes using the same colors that I applied on my lid to my bottom lash line. I'm also going to be adding a pop of color of white from my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. I'm also going to be applying some mascara on my lower bottom lashes, and the mascara I'm using is from Maybelline. For lips, I'm going to be keeping it simple because the eyes are already out there. I'm just going to line my lips with a dark brown lip liner or brow pencil, and then I'm going to be using my MAC lip gloss.
Searching for no wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more.
And guess what? The look is pretty much complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little transformation video. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss another upload from me.
I'm scared for it. I'm scared of it. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on your soul. Unfair to all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on your soul. Unfair to all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. No more. Can't tell me why you're so terrified.
You can click here or here to watch any of my other makeup videos. I hope to see you in my next video upload next week. But for now, it's see ya.